Nangangarap na naman si Patricio. What did you say?
I wish we have a dog.
We have a dog in Philippines. What her name?
Casey.
Oh, di ba? Kinangkin niya yung aso ng kapatid ko na hindi naman sa kanya. Hi everyone! We are here in Taipei 101! Namiss namin ng Taipei guys, kaya pumunta kami dito ngayon. And we are exploring Taipei 101. What are we going to do here?
Oh, just cooking.
Sabi ko sa kanya, gusto kong pumunta ng 2nd Street kasi may kailangan akong bilhin. Naghahanap kami ngayon guys, sobrang daming tao dito ngayon. Kasi guys, weekdays. Weekdays? Weekend. Weekend.
Now it's a weekend.
Yeah. Can you hold my camera and vlog?
I want you to do it.
I want you to do it. He doesn't want to vlog guys. He's so shy.
Oh.
Diba?
Yes.
So mag-ikot tayo dito guys, may aso. Ay, sorry. Sorry. Oh, nice. Usapan kasi namin mag-shopping kami for today's video. Pero ang ending niyan, hindi kami mag-shopping. Window shopping lang. Oh, I think they have event like concert. Do you think so? Multitasking ako guys. Oh, diba? Why there's a lot of people here? Parang may concert dito guys. Let's go. I think they're celebrities. Oh babe, Taiwan celebrity. I wish probably. Guys, tingnan nyo, may pa-celebrity sila dito. We wanna see. Gusto ko pa sanang manood kaso si Patrick hindi mahilig sa mga ganyan-ganyan. Nagyaya na agad umalis. Kokonyat ang putuin. Where are we going now? It's Pablo! No.
Look, that guy also has Filipino.
I don't know if she's Filipino. What if we hang out with her? Can we say hi? Can we say hi? Sobrang dami guys ditong activities, like ang daming mga shows. Yung mga street shows, ganun. Wow, wow, wow. Ayan o.
OK，各位新区的观众朋友们，在我们此刻首映演出之前呢。
There's a lot of foreigners here. We can see a lot of different nationalities. You know why? Because Taipei 101 is famous place. Diba? Even though we live here for how many years? And we, huh? Yeah, I mean in Taipei. Yeah. And we always come here.
Yeah.
And yet we always want to come here, diba? Diba? So I think people come here often is rich people, right?
I think so.
Or not just rich people, it's just middle class, you know. See what we can get here. We're trying to get something to drink. Milky,
Right.
right? Are you going to buy me more?
Whatever you like.
Really?
Yes.
Whatever I like?
Whatever you want.
Whatever I like? Or what
Anything
is
you
that?
want.
The guy said. Why you just ignore that?
I don't know what they
Sama na ugaling po siya in-ignore. Oh my God. Babe, it's so hot in here. Kaming bars dito, guys. Ayan o, mga bars. Something cool. They are Filipino. Ayan.
Do we see if we get a milk tea there?
Okay. What we will get.
So you want the milk tea, right?
Roasted all in all day.
Yeah. Or you want bubble tea?
I don't like bubble tea.
Okay, milk tea.
Time to buy the milk tea. Here. It's really good to be outside, guys. Kasi ngayon lang talaga kami nakapag-banding ulit ni Patrick. Kaya naman sabi namin kagabi, lalabas talaga kami para mag-banding. And nagyaya nga siya dito. And I'm happy kasi being outside is one of my therapy from my stress. Inaantay ni Patrick yung order. Ayun o, kawawan tukmol. Tawang-tawa siya. Nabudol ko na naman siya. Ito na si Ulok ko. Nakuha niya na yung in-order na milk tea. Anong kakain mo? Bakit ang bait mo? Where is mine? Thank you. Thank you. Papalitin ko yung order namin kasi mas masarap yung sa kanya. Which one do you like?
I didn't want milk tea right now. Can we walk around a little bit?
Babe, I told you I don't want boba.
But that one is include boba.
That's gonna.
Oh.
Kakaupo lang namin, naalis na naman kami. Can you fix my shirt?
Do what?
Can you fix my shirt? My short? Fix my shirt?
In your shirt? Nothing's wrong with your shirt.
Okay.
I don't understand what you said.
Gago. Say gago. Tinuturuan ko na itong mag-Tagalog. Alam niyo ba na ayaw ko sa Taiwan? Alam nyo ba na ayaw ko sa milk tea yung boba? Yung bubble kinemerut. Kasi nga, hindi ko siya bet kainin. Mas gusto ko yung nata. Ewan ko ba naman dito, sinabi ko nang ayaw ko, pinalagyan pa rin ang tigas ng ulo. Sarap. Konyatan eh. Gusto mo makonyatan? Gusto mo makonyatan? Gusto mo makonyatan?
I don't know you're saying what.
What? Oo nang oo, hindi alam. Mabibenta ko talaga to.
What is this place?
I don't know. Where's the 2nd Street? Where's the 2nd Street?
Oh yeah, we gotta go to the next one. But are we allowed to bring this in seconds?
No. Taipei is so beautiful. Babe has car, you have to do. Ah, 谢谢。谢谢。Doggy doggy. Oh my gosh. Babe, the dog.
You like it?
The dog, yes. I want the dog like that. Tingnan niyo yung Taipei 101, oh. Look at the Taipei 101. Woo! Ang ganda, di ba? Kailangan ko ng picture dyan. Wait lang. Hi. Pumunta kami dito sa may tabi lang ng 101. Ayan yung 101. Oh, ayan. Oh, diba? So, may park dito, guys. Tapos, pupunta kami. Titingnan namin yung nagpe-play ng aso. Tingnan nyo. Ayan. Diba? May karabaw, oh. Hoy! May isang bungol dun, oh. Nakaupo na naman. Why did you just leave me? Ha? Nangangarap na naman si Patricio. What did you say?
I wish we have a dog.
We have a dog in Philippines. What her name?
Casey.
Oh, di ba? Pinangkin niya yung aso ng kapatid ko na hindi naman sa kanya. Kasi guys, parehas kaming pet lover. He wants... Babe, I thought you said you like cat. And I like dog.
Oh, yeah.
Loading na naman ito. Babe, look.
Wow.
Wow.
The dog wants to go inside, huh?
Oo. He wants to play, di ba? But do you think they have to pay for that? Dumidilim na, guys, and natapos na namin inumin yung aming milk tea, kaya naman kami ay papasok na sa loob kasi nga sabi ko gusto ko pumunta ng 2nd Street. So yan, nasa loob yung 2nd Street, nasa loob ng building na to, ng Breeze. So titingin kami kung mayroon akong makikita doon na magugustuhan ko, tapos susubukan kong mambudol. Charis lang, joke lang, hoy. Diba? I will budol you. Diba? You say yes.
Yes and what?
I will budol you.
Doodle me?
Oo. You say yes.
Yes.
Oh, diba? Ang bilis niyang utuin, diba? Joke lang. Joke. Come here. Wow. Tingnan nyo guys yung ano, oh, yung mga pa-light nila dito kapag gabi na, oh. So pretty, diba? Kakamping. Charis. Are we still going inside?
Yeah, I just looking if I can find a place to trash.
Maybe that one is trash. Right? Babe, that one is trash. Trust me. And over there, oh. Naghahanap ng basurahan. Kasi dito,
there.
I told you. You were not listening. Para kami nasa paradise. We see a foreigner photo and I have a white guy. I'm lucky that I have a white guy and blue eyes. Diba? You say, oh, bolero, santokin ganyan.
They say no camera.
Oh, sadly ba walang camera? Dito, no? So, nandito naman kami ngayon guys sa food court kasi kakain kami. Nag-order na si Patrick. Kaya pala siya natagalan sa akin bumalik dahil nagtingin siya na pwede namin kainan. So, nagaling kami sa 2nd Street, nag-shop kami dun. Kaya lang, hindi ako nakapag-film kasi bawal ang camera sa loob. So, we have to respect their rule. And, yeah. So, ito yung na-shopping namin, napamili namin din. 2nd Street. Sarap magkaapam, binibili lahat ng gusto mo. Sana nga totoo, pero hindi. Kailangan ko paghirapan lahat ng mga gusto kong bilhin. Dahil ang aking apam ay hindi rin mayaman. Kaya tigil-tigilan ninyo kung kakaltusan ko kayo. So, ang nabili ko guys is bumili ako ng pants na pang trabaho. So, gusto kong bibili dito kasi nga yung mga mura lang. Tapos si Patrick, nagbili siya ng kanyang sapatos. Sabi niya pa sa akin, ayaw daw niyang bumili kasi wala naman daw siyang kailangan. Tapos nakita niya itong suit. Ang cute, diba? Ang ganda, tibay. 900 lang yan, guys. Magkano yan sa mo. Tapos, semi-use lang siya. Diba? Pamasok niya yan. Mas malaki yung nagastos niya sa akin. Nakagastos siya ng 900. Ako 500 lang. Dumating na yung order namin, guys. So, ayan. Food is light. Pinukuha pa ni Patrick yung sa akin. Ang lessons. What a sweet glass.
To be honest, yours looked a little spicy.
Oh my
Yeah. You try it first.
Sabi ko yung kunang spicy, pero bakit spicy?
I didn't know. You want some fries?
Babe, I will feed you if it's spicy.
You want some of my...
Tanyo, ayan o. Order na sa akin. Good, this one is spicy. Tatanggalin ko yung sili. Can I put the chili in there? I try to avoid the spicy.
Very spicy.
No, I think I can do it. Let's see, guys. This one. Magkaon tayo. They say magkaon tayo. Look at the pan.
Not on the camera.
There, oh. So weird. Wait. Is it bad to say?
No, it's just... I don't know what...
What?
Nothing.
Come on, that.
Most people also leave there.
Do you like your food? Do you like your food?
Oh, I like...
How about mine?
What yours?
Mine is okay.
Oh, I like mine more, but yours is also...
You didn't let me taste yours.
You didn't ask. Okay, I'm sorry. I should have just given you.
Sasapakin ko to eh. Ang brutal ko. Ay, naku. Thank you, sir,
Okay.
for paying for the dinner.
Okay.
That's my payment. Tapos hindi ko naman inubos yung in-order. Kawawa talaga ito sa akin. Where's the bathroom? I wanna use the bathroom. The bathroom is there. Let's go. Oo. Wow, sobrang social ng bathroom nila, guys. Ay. So we are going outside now? And then are we going home?
Maybe.
Maybe? We should. But which one is expensive? Samsung or iPhone? What happened? May banda dito. Manood tayo ng banda. Maybe there's no celebrity.
Oh yeah, I also feel like you said about I think it's just a lot of spicy.
Yan o. Nararamdaman ko ng Pasko. Christmas. Diba? Diba, Patrick? Diba?
Yeah.
Babe, do you know why I'm doing vlog? Why I'm doing YouTube?
Why is that?
It's because I want to record my life, my memories, the moments. So when I get old, I can just watch the video and I remember the things I did in my life.
Yeah, it sounds fun.
Diba? Maaga pa yung trabaho ko bukas, diba? Oo siya nang oo, hindi naman niya alam yung pinagsasabi ko. Naiintindihan mo ba ako?
I don't know you still.
Oh, diba? Sabi ko sa'yo. Wait, the celebrity, what happened? Fix your belt?
Yes. It's all down now.
Ang dami guys ditong ano, kung kayo ay naghahanap sa mga yung mga apam hunter dyan, punta kayo dito sa Taipei. Dito sa by 101 kasi marami ditong mga foreigner, mga puti. So, ayan no, mga sample. Dami kong nakikita. Sana all, babe, sana all. Magbe-break din kayo, charis. Yung nangarap. I'm not being mean. So look, welcome to Taipei. like, babe, you know what? Sometimes I lose my confidence because of you.
What did I do?
You're just nothing. You don't react anything.
有人头才显得多么出众，我陷入梦幻恋不
So guys, we are about to go home now kasi may pasok pa ito. Magtatrabaho ka pa para sa kinabukasan natin dalawa.
Yes.
You know what I said? I will translate in English. I said, we have to go home because you have work tomorrow.
Oh yeah.
We have to work for our future.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Yes, ma'am. I'm the boss or you are the boss?
Equal.
What? What did you say? Equal? What is equal? It's also?
50-50.
What do you say 50-50?
They're the boss.
And sometimes you?
Sometimes.
Whatever, dude. It seems like, oh, babe, I see the SB19 dancing. Who are they?
Pablo.
No. They are groups, so it means they are
SB19.
good. Let's see.
Looks like SB19.
Yeah. Wait, I will show to our followers.
Okay.
Look. Ta-da. SB19!
Oh.
Babe, what if they dance the SB19 dance?
You'll be so happy, I know.
Oh yeah? Do you know the humble beginning of SB19? When they are started, they also like that. They're dancing in the street, they're trying so hard to have a lot of funds, and now they are very, very famous, and I think they deserve it.
Yes.
Yeah?
Yes.
It just means like if you want something to happen, what?
Chicago Steakhouse.
Yawa, nagkikwento ako tungkol sa SB19 pagkain na ng Chicago.
Chicago Steakhouse.
Look. I will show to our follower. Yan yung tinuturo niya habang nagkikwento ako. Babe, oh, this is the famous restaurant that I'm telling you. Did you have a good day?
Had a good day. Did you have a good day?
Oh, I like going to the second street, even we live there.
I'm sorry.
And I'm happy that I got a pants for work. And you got a shoe.
Yeah.
And the food. And then walk around, seeing a lot of activities that people doing there. Celebrities. And I'm happy that we're back in Taipei to just walk around and enjoy the day.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
So ganito lang kami guys pag magkasama. Simpleng buhay with a bomb. Oh my God, panira to ng araw.
Araw-araw.
Araw-araw kitang mahal. Awit. Can you say awit?
Awit.
Babe, I'm singing. I said araw-araw kitang mahal.
Araw-araw kitang mahal.
Oh, you know what does it? I love you every day.
What is araw-araw?
Every day. Araw-araw.
Okay.
101 aesthetic clinic. Look. So we are waiting for the green light to cross the road. So we are going to end this video and this vlog, guys. Thank you for joining us and for watching. Salamat sa walang sawang suporta. Oh, awit. Babe, can you say thank you to our
Thank you
viewers?
to our viewers.
Can you invite them to subscribe?
I invite you to like and subscribe.
Pucha, parang napilitan.
Yeah.
So guys, that's all for our video today. And in tonight, we're going home now. Thank you for joining us. Babe, say thank you.
Thank you.
Don't forget to subscribe,
Don't forget to subscribe
like,
and share the video.
and share the video. Bye. See you next time.